So Bellafill is used like most other fillers in that it's an injection, so it's not a surgical procedure, it's non-invasive, and there are even improved techniques for how we do injections. Basically there's a cannula, which is a instrument that has a rounded soft tip opposed to a sharp tip like a needle. That allows us to do the injections in a way that causes less bruising, less swelling, less discomfort, so even that technique has improved. So again, Bellafill would be used like other fillers, just giving a lot longer duration. One unique part about it is it's actually made of primarily collagen and then another particle called PMMA. The collagen part will actually go away within about 2 months, and then several months thereafter, the new collagen that your body's going to produce around the PMMA will serve as the filler. So the nice thing is, in the end, a lot of the filling effect is from your own collagen. So not only is it real long lasting, but most of it is a natural product that your body is producing. So just another reason it makes for such a great filler.